Having trouble with Microsoft Word? In this video, we'll show you how to fix the Word could not create the work file. Check the Temp Environment Variable error quickly and easily. Search for scistm.cpl in the Windows search bar. Open scistm.cpl from the search results. Click on the Advanced tab. Click on Environment Variables. Click on New. For the variable name, type %UserProfile%. For the variable value, type your user path. For example, seed users boatmjtt, click OK. Click OK again. Click OK one more time to close the System Properties window. Restart your computer. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next, run some commands. Search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Copy the first command from the video description, paste it into the command prompt by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Copy the second command from the video description, paste it into the command prompt by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart to reboot your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.